Hey, don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out or looked down on. Just try your best, try everything you can, and don't you worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time, little girl, and a little at the right. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. It just takes some time, little girl, and a little at the right. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. It just you know they're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own, so don't buy in. Live right now, yeah, just be yourself. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. It just takes some time, little girl, and a little at the right. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. It just
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. My name is CJ and welcome to my wonderful journey. Today is subie vlog number 2. Today I'm just gonna give you guys an update of what's been going on with my car. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Rex and CJ, just like the channel, except no apostrophe and an underscore instead of a space. If you guys have been keeping up with the story, you guys saw last week, or I think 2 weeks ago, my car actually broke down. It stopped working. Basically, it would crank, would not start. So I got it towed over to subie shop. A little background behind that, if you did watch subie vlog number 1, I'll put it in the description for you guys to catch up on that as well, because that also has to do with something that I'm talking about in this video. Last time I went, I mentioned that when I took it to subie shop, it was overboosting at 23, which is the max for this car, and there's also a map sensor issue. They said that they fixed it. A month later, like about a week ago, driving to work, coasting down the hill, threw it in second gear, tried to give it gas, and it wouldn't work. Car shut down on me. I checked on the access port and looked at the troubleshooting. It popped up with 5 codes. 3 of them had to do with the air pump that was stuck on, which is actually a common issue for the 5, 6, and 7s, I believe. I don't know about the newer models, but I know for sure when I did some research on it, that was the most common issue. The other 2, one of them was for the max boost, and then one of them was for the map sensor. Since those 2 actually occurred at the shop, I went ahead and I towed it back over there because it happened over there, and they were going to fix it, but they couldn't do that, which I'm pretty disappointed about. So what I did was that I actually called Metro Performance. So if you live around here in SoCal, Metro Performance is located in Marietta. And they wanted my car first thing. I explained my situation to them. Today, the plan was, since they actually open at 8 and then with traffic, it was about a 30 to 40 minute drive. The tow truck usually takes about an hour to get to my house. So woke up around 5, called the tow truck around 5:40. The tow truck arrived at my house around 6:40. Me and Ghost Rap, AKA CJ, so there's 2 of us, drove up together to Metro, dropped it off first thing in the morning, sat in the office and described my whole situation. We drove back here to the shop. He had to go run a couple of errands. While he was out, I got a call from Metro saying that my car was ready, and I was like, dude, no way. Like, there's no possible way that my car hadn't been ready within an hour or 2 since I've dropped it off. When I took it to subie shop, they had it for a good week and a half. We got there around 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Test drove it, it was fine, paid, and then left. On the way home, when I think we were about like halfway home, and we had a check engine light popped up, which was not good. Had to do with the air pump system. I'm saying something about my air pump. I think it was P1410. I think that was the code. We had to turn around, drive all the way back to subie shop, god damn it. we had to drive all the way back to Metro. What they did was that they actually made me a custom map where I could still run the stage 1. They put those on there because of what? They made that specific map so that those codes couldn't come back. The next couple of months is that I'm actually gonna buy block off plates, have them installed, and then get it retuned. After they gave me that custom map, took it out for a test drive, ran fine, no check engine lights, drove home, no problem. Car runs great, boost fine. What's up guys? Technical difficulties because I don't have professional lighting yet or a camera. I'm never gonna get this vlog together. As far as subie shop goes, the main issue as of why everything was going off, why I had 5 codes, was that my map sensor, one of the wires was loose. What Metro did was that they cut it, soldered on a new one, and they fixed it. Anyways, that was it for subie vlog number 2. That's what's currently going on as of today. And I do have another video coming up for you guys as well, which is pretty exciting and I'm pretty stoked. So I have 1 exterior part and I have 2 interior parts. I did post it on my story, so some of you guys might know. Go subscribe if you haven't already. Shout out to Ghost Rap for helping me get my car back. Go follow him on Instagram. It's ghost_rap. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my new video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment on this video. If you guys like this video, you'll probably like my other videos too. So go check it out and I'll see you guys on the next one. How's that? Great, good.